these days. Just see, the master's here. Hey, Jao, it's a man. Come, let's carry him to the back. Here's Jao, a white man with yellow hair. He's wounded and bleeding. Look, this is the gunshot. And I think the bullet is still inside him. Hannah, what should we do with him? Let's throw him back into the sea. Yes, I think you are right. But he's alive, Hannah. So what? He's a white man, an American. And you know, the Japanese are at war with America this moment. He's a human being and wounded. And I'm a doctor also. Okay, but you know, if we shelter an enemy in a house, we shall be considered as traitors and we will be arrested. But if we hand him over to the police, he will surely die. And doctor can never see a person die if he knows that he can save that life. The very first lesson taught to us in training was, don't let a person die as far as possible. But Siddharth, he is an enemy. We can't save him. So the kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea. Yes, I think you are right. But please, Hannah, you know. Ma'am, he is here. We search for you. By the way, who is he? He's a man. Of course, what else he could be? But he's so dirty and he's an American, a white man, an enemy. Yumi, will you please bring hot water? What for, ma'am? We will wash this patient. But he's an American. Look at his uniform. There, US Navy. So what? Are Americans not human beings? No, sir. They are enemies and we are at war. Look, sir, ma'am, if we keep the enemy now, all of us will be arrested and put to death. Doctor, will you listen to me? Yes, I know. This man is American. Yes. This is our enemy and was thrown into the sea. Yes, then the sea taught this man the rocks hit him and then speak out. The sea, the rocks. Yes, the rocks found this man die. What do you want to say? Yes, master, they want him die. So if you treat him, save him. The sea and the rocks are angry and will take revenge on us. What are you talking? Look, I'm all set to save this man. And if you're all set to save him, master, I shall leave your house. Yes, we don't want to risk our lives. Suppose the police comes, you know. You and we also will be arrested and put to death as traitors. We love Japan and we are patriotic citizens. We are going to leave this house. I'm also leaving this house. So we have left. But dear, why are we taking such risks? Just think of it one more time. No, Hannah. We shall never be called as traitors. I have thought something. What something? I have decided to go to the general and tell him about this man. Yes, good idea, I think.
Okay, doctor. But what brings you here at this hour?
Sir, it's a secret news and very important.
Speak out.
But sir, here?
Yes. See, nobody is there.
Sir, I beg your pardon, sir. I'm a doctor, sir. I'm dedicated to save every patient on this planet, sir.
Yes, doctor. I know this. How dare I forgot that it was you who operated on me and saved my life when all hopes were finished.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm always at your disposal, sir. But
what, doctor?
Sir, I have an enemy in my house.
Kill him. What the hell are you thinking about?
Sir, he's a patient, sir, and I dare not kill my patient. Because I've taken the oath to save, not to kill.
Yes. Then my soldiers. I need my personal killers. Yes. My personal and private killers will go to your house and kill him.
But
Rest assured, doctor. I have great regard for you. I want you must live.
thank you, sir.
God knows when and where I may need my next operation. So doctor, I will. Yes. When? I know this. I keep my will always. So doctor, you just be carefree. But keep it a secret. Otherwise, yes. Otherwise I'll kill both of you.
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Yes, sir.
But remember, my killers will come and kill him.
Yes, sir. You will come and kill him.
No. My killers will come.
Yes, sir.
My killers means general's killers.
Hello. She met the general? Yes, Hannah. Dead tired I now. Wait a minute. Have it? Relax. Hannah, the general was surprisingly kind to me. Very good. But it is vain. What's the condition of our friend? No, the enemy. Okay. How is he now? He is okay now. Can speak, talk, and can walk also. Oh God, you are great. Thanks for saving his life. It's alright. But what did General say? He didn't say anything bad, Hannah. He said, my killers will go to your house and kill the enemy. He said this? Yes, Hannah. Believe me, he said this. I have great regards for you. I want you must live. And so. But you know, he is forgetful. Now, I want to see my patient, my friend. Don't say friend. He is an enemy. I know, but I'm still thinking. Am I right to say about him to the general? Yes, being a responsible and patriotic citizen, what we have done is right. Because his enemy should be treated like that only. But what about the responsibilities of human being? If, being a doctor, I've saved him, I should save his life. But now, you have asked everything to the general. Now he will get killed by the general's killer. I know. Stop thinking about this matter now. You perform your duty very well. Okay, dear. Hannah, a week has passed. I told you that the general is forgetful. Yes, no man came. Now I think he has totally forgotten his job. Then it's all not good. Now, call that American fellow. Okay. How are you, friend?
I'm okay, sir. I'm very thankful to you, sir.
That's okay.
Sir, you are really a kind soul. You treat a person who belongs to your enemy country.
I just do my duty, friend.
Sir, if all the people will start thinking like you, then I can say there will be no wars in the world.
Yes, you are right. Now listen to me very carefully.
Yes?
I have arranged for your escape. At night, you will wear my Japanese clothes so that nobody mistakes you. You will go the way I tell you and you will reach near the seashore.
Okay.
There, a boat will be waiting for you. You will flicker the torch so that I shall come to know that you reached there. Sit on that boat and you will land on the other bank. This way, you will be free.
I'm indebted, sir. I'm so grateful that words fail.
Though you are our enemy, but now I'm satisfied that I have saved a life, which is my life save, and the aim of every doctor in this world. So, fare thee well.